Quiz on atmosphere. The envelope of air that completely surrounds the Earth is known as hydrosphere, lithosphere, biosphere, atmosphere. The right answer is atmosphere. What is the second atmospheric layer from the ground? Thermosphere, stratosphere, troposphere, mesosphere. The right answer is stratosphere. What is the third atmospheric layer from the ground? Troposphere, thermosphere, stratosphere, mesosphere. The right answer is mesosphere. What layer protects us by burning up most meteors? Stratosphere, mesosphere, troposphere, thermosphere. The right answer is thermosphere. What layer does most weather occur in? Troposphere, stratosphere, thermosphere, mesosphere. The right answer is troposphere. What is the coldest layer in the atmosphere? Troposphere, thermosphere, stratosphere, mesosphere. The right answer is mesosphere. What is the hottest layer in the atmosphere? Mesosphere, thermosphere, stratosphere, troposphere. The right answer is thermosphere. What is the fourth atmospheric layer from the ground? Thermosphere, mesosphere, troposphere, stratosphere. The right answer is thermosphere. What gas makes up 21% of our atmosphere? Methane, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. The right answer is oxygen. What happens to the temperature as you go higher in the troposphere? It gets hotter, it gets colder, it stays the same, it is always changing. The right answer is it gets colder. What atmospheric layer has most of the clouds? Thermosphere, stratosphere, troposphere, mesosphere. The right answer is troposphere. What layer do weather balloons reach before they burst? Mesosphere, troposphere, stratosphere, thermosphere. The right answer is stratosphere. Which atmospheric layer is closest to the ground? Mesosphere, troposphere, thermosphere, stratosphere. The right answer is troposphere. What layer of the atmosphere has the aurora borealis in it? Stratosphere, mesosphere, troposphere, thermosphere. The right answer is thermosphere. What layer has the ozone layer in it? Mesosphere, troposphere, thermosphere, stratosphere. The right answer is stratosphere. What does the ozone layer do? It protects us from meteors, it protects us from violent solar flares, it protects us from ultraviolet radiation, it helps us breathe. The right answer is it protects us from ultraviolet radiation. What is the most common gas in the atmosphere? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, methane. The right answer is nitrogen. What is the atmosphere? A layer of fluid surrounding an object, a layer of gas surrounding a planet or moon, a cloud of gas that allows us to breathe, a layer of oxygen that surrounds a planet or moon. The right answer is a layer of gas surrounding a planet or moon. What happens to the temperature as you go higher in the stratosphere? It stays the same, it gets hotter, it gets colder, it is always changing. The right answer is it gets hotter. What makes up less than 1% of the atmosphere? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapor and other gases. The right answer is water vapor and other gases. What is the aurora borealis most commonly called? The northern lights, the southern radiation, the iconic particles, a rainbow. The right answer is the northern lights. At what layer do most airplanes fly at the top of? Stratosphere, thermosphere, mesosphere, troposphere. The right answer is stratosphere. Which layer has lack of gravity? Exosphere, troposphere, mesosphere, troposphere. The right answer is exosphere. Which layer is also known as ionosphere? Troposphere, exosphere, stratosphere, thermosphere. The right answer is thermosphere. Which layer helps in long distance communication? Mesosphere, troposphere, thermosphere, exosphere. The right answer is thermosphere. If you like this video, then hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.